Alright everyone, welcome back to Sauer Horsepower, and today we are at Cecil County Dragway for our first Strange Engineering Streetcar Shootout of the year. We have some really good weather today, first qualifying pass. Our DA is about negative 1300 right now, so really good. This first qualifying pass, we're going to try and go for that 9 that eluded us last time we were at the track. I do have the passenger seat out. I did take out the stuff in the trunk. So there is a slight bit of weight reduction to our car. Normally we run 10.0s, hoping for a 9.9. But we're coming up for our first qualifying pass right now, and if you're only going to see this GoPro camera today, the other one decided to die when we got to the track. So yeah, let's get to it. That was pretty fast. Cool. Alright, here we go. Cecil County Dragway, Streetcar Shootout, sponsored by Strange Engineering. Thank you. Oh, missed it. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you... all right. 10:004. Are you kidding me? I couldn't get 5 thousandths out of it. 5 thousandths. Oh man, I threw everything at it on this one, guys. Maybe I'm just too fat. Oh god, if I not even 10 pounds difference. All right, get back with you in a bit. All right, here we go, coming up on our second qualifying pass. Let's see how she goes.
Sauer over there with the 2019 Dodge coming out of Sykesville, Maryland.
30, 60, 130, quarter mile.
All right, so our second pass of the day, a 10:01 with a 4. So yeah, we're not going to get any better. The DA on that pass was about -800. So we lost a little bit from the first pass. First pass was about -12 to 1300, I believe. Now we're at about -800. 142.60 foot, 641 in the eighth, 10.014 at 136. So we lost a little bit, a mile an hour, which is probably down to the DA. So yeah. So since we're doing bracket racing today, probably going to dial in at a 10.00, since that's the fastest we've ever run, and we're only going to get slower. So I know we're not going to run faster than a 10.00. So that's what we're going to dial in at. Probably could have ran the 10.0 index today, but since we're running the season long championship, I wanted to stay in Super Street because come summer we're going to slow down a little bit. So yeah, that's going to be it. We'll get back with you guys when we get to the pits and park. Oh, hello. All right, so we are back from the second pass. Let's look at the time slips a little bit more in depth. Let me get them laid out here. As you can see, as my phone fell, passenger seats out, took the stuff out of the trunk. All right, so the two left lanes, so basically damn near identical pass each time, except we lost a little bit of mile an hour on our second pass here, and that's the difference in 1/100th of a second. So yeah, obviously I'm happy because we got two new personal bests, but not happy because I really wanted to see a 9 in front of that number today. It's just not going to happen. Maybe if I was later, is what it is. So yeah, still happy. Couple, well, back-to-back 10.0s again. We're going to dial in, like I said, at 10.00 probably, and then try and give them hell in the bracket racing. My reaction times are both 0.07 on each one, so that'll do. That'll work. Just got to keep it the same, and then we'll that was loud. Yeah, we'll get to it. All right, we're coming up on our first round eliminations in our streetcar shootout here. We're going up against, not that one, but there's another B5 Blue Scat Pack off to our right. Not sure what he dialed, probably somewhere in the 11s. So we're gonna have to run him down a little bit, but let's see how it goes. What, guys, one day I'll get this figured out. One day I will get it figured out. All right, everyone, as you probably heard during my pass, final pass of the day at 10.08, so negative 0.07 on the red light, so not much I can do there. I had him covered. I blew past him right at the finish line, or before the finish line. So that would have been a win if I didn't red light. So yeah, unfortunately I'm very dejected right now because I just gave the win away. But good day overall, I guess. Ran multiple 10.00s, well, a 10.00 and a 10.01 and another 10.08 to follow it up. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you did like the content, go ahead and drop us a like, comment below your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, have a great day.